In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Extension Manager to Chrome. If you use more than a couple of Chrome extensions, an Extension Manager makes life easier by letting you quickly enable, disable, or organize them from one place. Here's how to add one in just a minute or two. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You'll be using the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. To get there, type Chrome Web Store into your search bar and open the official result, or go directly to the store if you have it bookmarked. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, look for the search box near the top left and type Extension Manager. You'll see several options with similar names. That's normal. There are multiple tools that serve this purpose. You're aiming for one that clearly mentions enable and disable features and has strong ratings. Take a quick look at the star rating, the number of users, and the last updated date. Recent updates and lots of users are good signs, and the permissions it requests should make sense for an extension that manages other extensions. When you've picked the one you want, click Add to Chrome on its listing page. A confirmation box will appear explaining what the extension can access. Read this carefully. If everything looks reasonable, click Add Extension to confirm. If it doesn't, close the prompt and choose a different option from the search results. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. When it's done, you'll see a notification, and the new icon should appear near the top right of your browser, next to the address bar. That's your new Extension Manager ready to use. Some tools may offer a short welcome message or a quick tour. Feel free to skim it so you understand the basic controls. A couple of quick tips before you start organizing. Because there are many extensions with similar names, always choose one with good ratings and a solid user base, and be cautious about anything requesting overly broad permissions. Also, avoid installing too many extensions in general. Each one can use memory and may slow down Chrome or increase security risk over time. Anytime you want to review everything you've installed, type Chrome/extensions into the address bar and press Enter. That page shows all your extensions in one place and lets you turn them on or off or remove them if you no longer need them. That's it. You've added an extension manager to Chrome, and you're set to take control of your browser's add-ons.